Hi, Ghana. I'm here with my brother-in-law James today, and he's going to be teaching me a greeting in Tree. Yay!
Let's go. Good morning. Marching.
Mache.
Marching.
Marching.
Good afternoon. Maha.
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 Good evening. Maju.
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 Okay, so how are you? Won't to sing.
Wahum to sing.
No, won't to sing.
Wahum to sing.
Wo.
Wo.
Hum.
Hum.
Te.
Te.
Sing.
Sing. Wahum to sing.
Okay, good. So I'm good. Eye.
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 I'm good. Eye.
Eye.
Okay, so let's go back. Good morning. Good
Um,
morning.
Mache.
Good afternoon.
Maha.
Okay, nice. Good evening.
Maju.
Good. How are you?
Wahum to sing.
I'm good.
Eye.
Good. Good.
Yay! I'm here with my brother-in-law James today, and he's going to be teaching me how to order banku and okra stew with goat meat from a Ghanaian restaurant, and he's going to play the cashier. So, I'm going to ask, I want to know how to ask, do you have banku with okra stew and goat meat?
Okay. Mo banku name kumankwan na ponchina.
Okay. So, do you is what?
Do you mo?
Mowo.
Yeah.
Mowo.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mo.
Banku.
Yes.
No, mowo.
Mo. Do you have mo?
Okay, mowo. Banku.
Ni nkumankwan.
Ne. Inkermakwen.
Nkumankwan.
Inkermakwen.
Yeah.
Okay, so.
Onyame shira Ghana ni bi owo akontu manaso o Ghana ha no a onsuro ana on fere se obedai na mamre edi no be menkrofo hu se ha no free kasa we no ka aduane se no die entare se no hye ne ade abusuafo onyame shira Ghana ni bi a wo yesa de we na da bia na se de ete ne se o man so pese o man etumpon o man ko ne ni ade a na se wa ma wo culture and take lead a abusua o man no wayera o man no atofo na we nyina na ma hu se Ghana e ko ne Ghana etumpon se de Ghana fo bi no mo wa kwantu mo ne Ghana ha no mo a omo de Ghana mamre ewuwuwura nkrofo mu ahofo ne mu de tete wo mo e di wuwura o di propa wo na me hu ne se enche bia Ghana ye local languages nyina no ye local languages nyina se no e be international na se ye ko ne se ya na se ya onfele ensuro na ye toa so de nuane ne ye kasa ne entale hyemu no ye di propa ahofo ya abusuafo me hu ne se enche bia o man Ghana wiase nyina beti yenka na wiase nso ebesua ya mamre ehu sede na wiase nyina nso be hu sede ya mamre sie so rich na mo nso esua e dia ba o man we si mo o man no empuntu a e koso nyina na ade nyina e be koso class sei ebusuafo no mo hu se yes o my Ghana ye woni ma papa pa o man we si mu ya we ye ne man ketingiti be sheda ye di kan ya bibie so di a kire wo enu ba bia na kese no kra de e wo ho no mo aye de ye de ye be yi ni nyina pie dia bre wo mo dia be kire no mo hu se yes o my Ghana ye woni ma papa e bia de meji obi entemase e woni ma we nyina me ye ho nanso me pese mu hu se o my Ghana e na ye medie o my Ghana e ye ba bia ha ana me funuma e hye o my Ghana e ye ba bia ha ana ye me moja enti abusuafo se metu kwan akobi kroso metu kwan akoba bi ni ade abusuafo se te se de kra na wo se metumi hu se yes ha ye medie na ha ana anigye wo de mame ha ana ahoto e wo de mame ati ase abusuafo ya se so be boa mo asu a na ente se de wankasa wa ye de usu enti se metu kwan akobi kroso na se menya ahoto ho menya anigye ho ne ade a abusuafo wo se mi hu ne se anigye na menya wo sa kro ne so no menya ne double enti no wo se metimi hu se yes me kai mechi abusuafo Ghana ede Ghana ahoto ene anigye wo oma we se mu pa enye asanketwa the year of returns a Ghana you host ye no awodo do na mo ba o man Ghana mu no se mutie o mo kasa mu yi a bi mo kasa o mo kan nyina na se the moment o mo free play no mo do mo nan esi o ma we se asase so no they felt something in their spirit o mo hu ne se aha ayo mo di aha ana mo free ahoto ne asomdwe de ene anigye de so mo hwehwe bi a ehya na wo so mo ba omu krom no omu wo anase baby omu free no omu ba ha se nya se bia asomdwe ni ahoto no omu nya bi wo omu nya bi pa e wo pa na so se dia blofo na ni omu esi akan e de discriminations and sem e ha wo omu ene ade no in fact ahomete a omu hu ni se ɛbrɛ ɔmo baa ha sei no sɛdeɛ yɛsi welcome wɔn ne wɔn bɔ nkɔmmɔ nneɛma bi a yɛde wɔn yɛ ne ade ne ma wɔn nya anigye wɔ mmaa wɔ ese mu ma bebree naa bɛtotɔ nsaase wɔ mmaa wɔ ese mu bebree naa bɛtotɔ estate ne ade a wɔn de wɔn sika nso yɛ de ɛyɛ so many investments ɛwɔ mmaa wɔ ese mu nti deɛ ɔbɛka kyerɛ wɔn sɛ ɔmaa wɔ yɛ apratete ɔmaa wɔ yɛ asɛ no abusua sɛ nipa no otu mfuturo ɛde gu wɔ ni so obi bi papa bi ɛyɛ ɛwɔ mmaa wɔ ese mu ama obi naadaa ɛsɛ ɔman Ghana asɛe na bi papa bi ani ɔman Ghana mu abusua ɛnte saa da ɔman wɔ etu mpɔn ɔman wɔ ekɔ n'anim ɔman bi ɛhyɛ aseɛ no ɛyɛ sɛ yɛ ana ɔman bi ɛhyɛ aseɛ ɔman bi ɛhyɛ aseɛ no koraa na ɔmo nso deɛ koraa yɛ dɛ ɛsen yɛ die yi nti ɛyɛ nkakra ana yɛde ɛkɔ na menim sɛ one day you will get there.
I just heard that, you know, you will have a little bit more freedom as an African American person, and not just that, but like peace. When people are coming here from America, they're coming for peace. They're coming for a sense of belonging. They're coming to find their roots. And I think that a lot of people, they don't know. Like, there's a lot of African Americans that believe that they're from America, even though it says African American in the title. And I'd be like, no, like let's date it back. Let's actually explore what that really means. And so it's taken me by, surprise, because I've felt like I've met some of my cousins here. Like, I've met, like, for the first time, like, didn't know them before I came here. And, then I just felt like if you want real peace, you gotta start at the root, like a tree. If you're looking at the branches and all the rest of the pieces, how are you ever going to define where you started from? And so it just started getting me into like researching more about my life, dating back, my history, and I've been telling my cousins and, people like that and stuff. I felt like I don't have to carry concealed weapon around to make sure that, because in America, like, you could be in the grocery store, you could be at church, you could be on the road. Anybody can get it in America at any given moment, like, because people are literally not wired right. Like, they're not looking at you like you're their brother or their sister. They're looking at you like you're their opposition.